Yay!
My fingers are all sticky.
No, that cloud looks like,
Pluto.
yeah,
The dog.
in Disney World. Yeah, and
It sucked ass that Pluto wasn't a planet anymore.
I know, like, how do you just decide a planet is not a planet?
But I think that the other planets were so jealous because everyone liked
There's
Pluto.
our rumors.
That Pluto was gay.
That's so gay to get kicked off the island because you're gay. That's like,
yeah, like the marriage rule.
yeah, like the stupid government is like saying that gays like can't get married. Like, what the fuck? That's religion.
Yeah, man. I'm so gay.
How is it gay?
I love you gay people.
Well, I don't love you because I like
not
boys.
like that. We have boyfriends. By the way, mine was a dick the other day.
Month?
Sorry, Kevin.
When I put the food in my mouth, it feels like snakes. Like, on my fingers. I wonder if it's done. Bitch, please.
Give me my loaded.
Nigga! Nigga, please! We're disgusting. I'm gonna go see if we're done.